Hola, welcome back to my channel, Storytime with TT. Today's story is called Hiccups for Elephant. This is written by James Preller. Have you ever had the hiccups? Me too. And are they easy to get rid of? Not really. Let's find out what happens in this story. Hiccups for Elephant. It was nap time. All the animals were asleep, except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Yeah. Chimp woke up. I can cure those hiccups. Cure means I can fix them. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. What? So, Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Didn't get rid of him, did it? And then Lion woke up. Oh, I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water, very, very fast. So, Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank and drank. Didn't work. Then Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. That didn't work. Mouse woke up. What is all that noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor Elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked at Elephant right in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups? Oh, that works every time, Mouse said. All the animals fell asleep, except for Elephant. Achoo! So he went from getting the hiccups to sneezing. What cured his hiccups? How did he get rid of his hiccups? Do you remember? Let's go back. Mouse tried to scare him, and it worked. I'm going to show you the way TT gets rid of hiccups. It works every time for me. You get a glass, fill it with some water. I know this might sound a little bit silly. You put a paper towel over the glass with water, and you do this. No more hiccups. Next time you have hiccups, try it. Get a glass of water. You don't have to fill it up very much. Put a paper towel over it. And drink. I don't know how, I don't know why, but it works for TT every time. Okay, thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you manana. Adios, amigos. Goodbye, my friends. Adios.